Extremely well done. I mean, so it was the bowling performance that set up this show for you.
Yeah, absolutely. I think the way we started with the ball was superb. To restrict them to that kind of score was a great effort from the bowling unit. We knew, gets slightly better to bat under lights, get slower as well, but we wanted to back the experience that we have in our batting lineup to go out there and get those runs.
The other great thing about Indian bowling is the bounce back ability, because you disrupt the flow of the opposition even when the things are not working for you. You somehow turn it around with superb bowling effort in the middle of the innings.
Yeah, look, the credit goes to guys like Akshar, Kuldeep and Jadeja in the middle there. They played a lot of this format cricket, and they do understand what is required of them. Rightly so, they stitch a very good partnership there, Rizwan and Saud Shakil. So important for us not to let the game drift away. We wanted to stay there as long as possible. And again, the experience comes into play of all these three spinners. Not to forget the way Hardik, Harshit and Shami bowled as well. So it was, if you look at the entire game, how we bowled was an entire bowling unit performance. Everyone came to the party and did exactly what was required of them on that pitch.
Understanding the situation, reading the situation, Rohit, is very important, but also the fact that it's a skillful side that should make your sort of leadership that much easier also.
Yeah, absolutely. I think a lot of that credit goes to the players as well. This bunch of boys, we played a lot of cricket together, especially this format, and they do understand, what kind of job is required out of them. It can be quite tricky at times where, some guys will not get to bowl 10 overs because we have 6 bowlers to bowl at. So it's important what is working on that particular day and try and maximize those guys. And that is something that I'll always look into. Who are the guys are making slightly difficult for the batters. Everyone will have different days, but it was Akshar, Kuldeep, those guys stepped up today. In the previous games it was Jadeja, but in this game it was these two guys, and then Hardik with those couple of crucial wickets.
And what about Virat? I mean, he obviously is on Pakistani feet. Because every time he walks out there, he wins you a game against Pakistan.
Look, he loves representing the country. More importantly, he wants to be out there playing for the team, doing what he does the best, which is to go out there and do what he did today. That is what he is known for. Over the years, we've seen it with him, and people sitting inside the dressing room are not surprised with what he has done. It was good for him to be out there in the middle, see the game off, and then a couple of crucial knocks from the other guys as well.
How's the hamstring holding up? Is it the hamstring?
Yeah, it was, but it's okay at the moment.
Okay, enjoy it. Great performance.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.